Hi, Assalamualaikum. We are from Group 2. We present an experiment Lab 6, Spinal Reflex and Reaction in Humans, ASB0205. The objective of our experiment is to study about human reflex and response to different types of stimulus, to prepare an experiment to observe human reaction to stimulus, and to know the interval time between the moment the stimulus is applied and the moment the response commences.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Syahmi. Today I'm going to do some swallowing reflex experiment. The experiment is quite easy. Just need a glass of water and that's it. Let me explain the procedure a little bit. The first procedure is you need to swallow the saliva in your mouth cavity, and immediately afterward try to swallow again. You will find it difficult to swallow for the second time. You will do the first one now. Quite hard to swallow in rapid succession. Now I'm going to drink a glass of water and repeat procedure 1. Note that you have no difficulty swallowing in rapid succession. Here. And after drinking a glass of water, it's easier swallow in rapid succession. And you follow me.
Hi guys, I will continue our experiment with reaction time to the side. Let's go. Okay then, to conduct the experiment, basically we just need two stopwatches. So I will use smartphone as my stopwatch. Okay. So the procedure was started by both experimenter and subject should have a stopwatch, and both stopwatch was started simultaneously. Secondly, the experimenter stopped her stopwatch as soon as the subject finished. The subject then stopped his stopwatch too. Third, the time lapse between both the experimenter and subject action was measured, which will give the reaction time of the subject and recorded in the table 6.1. And lastly, the average reaction time was calculated by repeating the experiment 10 times. Okay, let's restart the experiment. That's all for my part. Thank you.
last one is two stopwatches. So firstly, me as experimenter and Aida as the subject. So the experimenter and subject should have stopwatch each and start both watches simultaneously. The subject should close his or her eyes. So secondly, the experimenter press his or her watch to stop and simultaneously tracks on the subject foot. Next, the subject then press his or her stopwatch to stop. So next, you need to repeat 10 times and calculate and record the average reaction time in the table below.
With a tape, measure as accurately as you can the length of the unit passing during the point where the finish is reached, which is foot, and the part of the body with the point, which is finger, that press the strip. Assume that the spinal components are attached to the back or the top of the brain, through the spinal cord and then down to the shoulder, hand, and last part of the finger. Use a ruler or measuring tape to measure the length of the thread used in procedure 5.
To conclude, the spinal reflex is a reflexive action mediated by cells in the spinal cord bypassing the brain altogether. All of 3 experiments that have been conducted do not just simply test only a simple reflex. Instead, it is to measure how fast our body reacts to stimuli and how to measure the response to the time for something you can see or feel. Hence, the speed of our reactions plays a big role and important part in our daily life. The reaction time is a measure of the quickness with an organism responds to some sort of stimulus.
Besides, all of us have reflexes. Reflexes and reaction, it seems quite similar but actually very different. Reflexes are involuntary, which used to protect the body and are much faster than a reaction. And reflexes are usually a negative feedback loop and act to help retain the body to its normal functioning stability or homeostasis. A signal is also sent to the brain, alerting it to the sensation and response. This happens so quickly that people may experience the sensation of pain almost simultaneously with the development of the reflex, even though the brain is actually the last places or checkpoint to know in this situation. Therefore, the objective for these experiments have been achieved successfully.